Video 34. Create 2D levels in Allplan. Depending on each project that creates the appropriate level, for this project I instructed to create pitch 1 easily. Before starting, turn off the drawing of the floor plan drawing in reference mode. Double-click on the screen. Display the folder tree. Deselect drawings of the floor plan. On the ground, I created parallel objects to show the dashed line in the previous lesson to divide the area of the layer to show. To create pitches, select a command on the toolbar. See shown on the screen. Instructions for using the commands in the toolbar are as follows: Group command, separate object, expand object. Select command on the toolbar. Add high-level text to know exactly how many the floor plan is drawn on. Open the ground floor drawing of the reference mode. The position of cross-section 3-3 goes through axis time 2 and time 3. Code of standard height is 0.000. Dining area location, area code 0.300. Terrace code location area, the height of the code 0.250. To create altitude in the dining area location, create a standard elevation of 0.000 first. Copy object, change object from text to object is number. Select the object on the dialog box to display the object that matches the pitch. Copy the object and change the height position accordingly. View the operations performed on the display screen. The screen shows all the elevations of the first floor of the project. Similarly, mount all elevations for the following locations: second floor, rooftop, rooftop, and rooftop. On the screen display all the 2D levels for the 3-3 section. Similarly, create the 2D elevation for the rest of the sections. I would like you to invite you to watch the next video, which is drawing a 2D staircase in Allplan.